Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever noticed that no matter how much success, money, or recognition someone has, some people still feel empty inside? Meanwhile, others who have far less radiate happiness and fulfillment every day. So, what's the difference? The answer is gratitude. Gratitude is not just about saying thank you, it's a way of life that transforms how we see the world. It turns what we have into enough. It shifts our focus from what's missing to what's already amazing. Today, I want to show you how practicing gratitude can bring fulfillment, joy, and success into your life starting now. Gratitude shifts your perspective. Many people believe I'll be happy when I achieve more. I'll be happy when I get a better job. I'll be happy when I make more money. I'll be happy when I find the right person. But if you delay happiness until you have more, you'll always be chasing something. Gratitude teaches us that happiness isn't found in having more, it's in appreciating what we already have. Think about it. Someone is praying for the education you take for granted. Someone is dreaming of the house you live in every day. Someone wishes they had the friends, family, or health that you do. Instead of saying, I have to go to work, say, I get to go to work. Instead of thinking, I wish I had more, say, I am thankful for what I already have. A grateful heart sees abundance where others see lack. Action step. Every morning, write down three things you are grateful for. Gratitude improves your mental and emotional health. Science proves it. Gratitude rewires your brain. Studies show that people who practice gratitude experience less stress and anxiety, sleep better at night, feel happier and more optimistic. Why? Because you can't feel grateful and miserable at the same time. The moment you focus on what's good in your life, you push out negativity. Gratitude reminds you that even on the hardest days, there is something to be thankful for. Example, when you face challenges, don't just focus on the problem. Find the lesson in it. Instead of thinking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring difficulties. It means choosing to focus on the blessings despite them. Action step. Every night, write down one good thing that happened during the day. Gratitude strengthens relationships. Want to make your relationships stronger and more meaningful? Start showing more appreciation for the people in your life. Everyone wants to feel valued, seen, and appreciated. And yet, we often forget to say thank you to those who matter most. Tell your parents how much you love them. Thank your friends for always being there. Show appreciation to your teachers, mentors, or colleagues. A simple I appreciate you can make someone's entire day. And when you give gratitude to others, you will notice something incredible. Your relationships become deeper, stronger, and more fulfilling. Action step. Send a message right now to someone you appreciate and tell them why. Gratitude attracts more success and abundance. Here's the secret. The more grateful you are, the more you attract success, happiness, and opportunities into your life. Why? Because gratitude shifts your energy. People who are grateful radiate positivity and confidence. They see opportunities instead of obstacles. They inspire others, and as a result, they attract more good things into their lives. Example, Oprah Winfrey credits gratitude journaling as one of the biggest reasons for her success. Many of the world's top entrepreneurs and leaders practice gratitude daily. Success doesn't bring gratitude, gratitude brings success. Action step. Every time you achieve something, pause and appreciate how far you have come. Choose gratitude every day. Life isn't perfect, challenges will come. But even on the darkest days, there is something to be grateful for. Gratitude turns challenges into lessons. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into blessings. Gratitude turns a good life into a great life. So today I challenge you. Start your day with gratitude. Appreciate the little things. Share gratitude with others. Because the secret to true fulfillment isn't having more, it's appreciating what you already have. Happiness begins with gratitude. Thank you.